Hello, everyone. Welcome to the community spotlight of Spheron. And today I have Craig with me from South Africa, and he's one of the participants of ETH Global's HackFS. And he has used Spheron, and this is a community discussion and spotlight with Craig. Craig, would you love to tell about yourself? What are you building? What are you doing? Would love to know more about it.
Excellent. Thank you. So my name's Craig. I'm from South Africa. I work as a front-end developer, and at the moment I'm building. It's called Mojo. It's basically a Web3 app for audio, audio and media streaming. So that's my competition entry for HackFS.
Amazing. That's amazing. Craig, would you love to show what you're building, and would you love to share your screen and show us what you have built? Because I have personally seen it, and I really love the work you have done. And if you can give a go around of the project you have made in this hackathon, I know it's still in works, but still, when I see it, it's something I know that is going to come up great. So you, hopefully, you can share the screen.
Start sharing. Can you see? There we go. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, cool, great. Okay, so basically it's a audio media streaming platform. The whole concept is to use IPFS and Filecoin to its fullest. This is my sort of front end. I've got just a demo tracks that I've loaded in just for
Audio
demo
Jungle.
purposes. Those work nicely for you. And then you can obviously connect, stream, and then I've got my direct IPFS upload. So that's sort of just my front end. At the moment, I'm busy working on the streaming part, so you'll be able to sort of select categories. It'll load up your tracks from Tableland. So it pulls through your NFTs with all the additional metadata. Then for my upload, this is just a direct upload for IPFS. Okay. So there I've uploaded my image, and then I can go off and either copy a link and share it with my friends, or I can just go ahead and open the link up to just check that it's been uploaded correctly. I'm just going to let that go so long. And then I've sort of got another rendition of that, which is my mint function. So again, working along the sort of along the same lines, I can go here, I can create now an NFT. So what it does is it uploads my image to IPFS. It takes the name of that actual image. So I want to just maybe go and give it another name. It then stores the image on IPFS, creates your link, does some magic, and then just allows you to sort of add a bit more data to your NFT. This is still a little bit of work in progress, but here you'd be able to add some of your additional details. So, for example, this would be a music NFT, so you can add a title, a category, a little bit of information. The NFTs will have a royalty fee based payout for the artist. So when someone clicks on play, it should pay a little fee as well. And then the artist could also sell that track if he wants to, giving obviously all rights to the new owner. And then, just a bit more information here. You can add a description. Maybe you want to put a preview link to the video, or add a fuller video. So just a bit more information there. And then, you can go ahead and mint your NFT. So just want to quickly...
Amazing. And that's pretty amazing, Craig. Like it's good to see such projects coming up, and even in the direction of music itself. I'm a music I'm a metalhead myself, so I really understand what the beauty of this is. And so moving on to the part of hosting and your experience with Spheron. So
Well, yes.
would you love to show that how have you hosted this with Spheron, and how what was your experience with Spheron, and would love to know more about it.
Okay, so to give you a bit of background, when I first sort of started this app, I launched it on Netlify, which is obviously the go-to. So I sort of saw Spheron and I tried it out. and it was really really easy to actually get up and going. A lot of the same inputs that I found on Netlify were available. So when I was actually creating my deployments, I could set up all the same configs. I did have a little issue in the very beginning with my deployments, but that was just more code based. What's really nice about the deployments is I could go in and actually inspect them. You've got some really nice deploy logs, which gives you all the information of your deployment. And that's where I actually picked up a couple of errors that I didn't pick up on my local host. Um, so, yeah, very, very smooth experience. And then obviously, this whole site is deployed um, on IPFS and it's actually stored on FilePoint. So, there's my link to my site here. And there you go, hosted with Spheron. Very, very nicely.
Amazing. And it's we are so glad to see that you have hosted your hackathon project using Spheron. And what was what was the time period, like how much time did it take you to really understand Spheron and host your hackathon project itself? Like, what was the timeline for it?
Sure. To be honest, I think I was up and running within a half an hour. Obviously, my first deployment was a very basic view template, just to sort of test it out. So that was very quick and easy to get up. Like I said, I had a few issues with the further deployments, but that was my fault, 100% my fault. Code issues, which Spheron definitely helped me pick up when deploying. So yeah, very happy with that. Yeah, there's a lot
Amazing.
of options. Actually, haven't even touched on. So you can set up all your subdomains, ENS domains. Yeah, there's a lot of options here that you can actually really get to grips with and using your.
Absolutely, and we would love that if you check those features out, and because you can test it out for your application, and as you can see, like it's we are trying to create a very less frictionless experience itself into hosting, and I hope you love this part of hosting itself. So in the end, Craig, all we need from you is like, what do you want to tell to other hackers who would be using Spheron? Because there would be a lot of people who would be watching you because you are into our community spotlight and you would be going live on our YouTube and many other channels. And if there is something you want to add to different young hackers who are coming into Web3 or who are into Web2 and who are trying to build and host, if there is anything you want to add to it.
Yeah, it's a very interesting technology. Definitely something that every developer should be looking at. I mean, just in a normal business setting, this is definitely something I could take to my company and say this is something we need to look at and actually start implementing. If you actually look at the core technology of what IPFS is and what it does, it's definitely the way to go. Companies could be setting up nodes. They could be, yeah. There's a lot of value in it, if I can say that. So yeah, very good product. Well done.
Thank you so much, Craig. Thank you so much for the kind words, and I hope our support was always there in terms of on the discords and our own Discord. And we take support very seriously, and we take community collaboration very seriously. Even a single person hosting on Spheron is a big deal to us. And from a hackathon to day-to-day usage to even hosting a portfolio to a simple website, we take them very seriously, and we take support very seriously as well. And
Yes.
love to have you in the community spotlight. And really best of luck for your project in the HackFS event. You have all our love and all our support, and we would really want you to win this.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Yeah, I must just say the support has been fabulous. You guys are definitely on the ball. All questions were answered quickly. Yeah, and no problem was too big. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, keep it up. Keep doing what you guys are doing. Well done.
Thank you so much, Craig.
All right.
uh, I I would be ending the broadcast right now. Okay. I
Okay.
guess.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess this sums it all. 10 minutes is a good go around.
Yeah.
Uh,
Hope you got everything you
I'll
need.
I'll apart from I'll edit this part out. Thank you so much, Craig, for joining this, and like this is the support of people we get, and support of developers we get for what we are building, and we are trying to build it in a better way every time we speak to different hackers, speak to different developers, because we are very much developer centric, and also we run through the dev community itself. We don't
Mm,
very much focus on supreme marketing. We really believe that we should solve a dev's day to day problem. That's what we are
yeah,
behind.
that's good
So
methodology. Okay.
yeah, and would love to hang out more with you in the Discord channel itself, and see you in more events and hackathons. Is there anything you
Definitely.
wanted to ask me? Like,
Not at this stage. Like I said, I mean, everything was there that I needed, so it's been a yeah, very good experience. Yeah. Right.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, Craig, and see you soon. See you when we release our mainnet as well. So, yep.
Excellent. All right, man. Thanks,
Thank
sir.
you so much, Craig. Yep.
All right.